This is Dr. Johnson with the course Introduction to Statistics, and we're looking at section 3.1 today. So hopefully you should have read section 3.1 over here, where we talked about sampling using the idea of estimating voter turnout to look at how we can do different types of sampling and how sampling can be biased or unbiased. And so now we look at section 3.1, which has this Gettysburg Address right here that you should have already done the activity, and in the, the discussion forum, you should have posted the proportion of short words that you had. Okay, now so then here you should have written down all 10 words you had, and then determine the short or long. So then number 3, identify the observational units in the variables. So remember, observational units are often people in a survey, but not here. So the observational units tend to be like the rows of a spreadsheet that you're writing stuff down on. So we are looking here at the population. Here's an example of a small population of 268 words, and we're sampling from that population. So we'll use p hat to refer to the sample proportion, pi to the parameter. So the true proportion of short words in the Gettysburg Address is 0.41. So do you think the sample proportion of short words you found will be a good estimate? So that's just a yes or no question. So number 5, it depends a lot on how you chose your words randomly. Number 5, suggest a method for deciding whether the sample proportion of short words is likely to be close to the population proportion of short words. Hint, whereas any one sample may not produce a statistic that exactly equals the population parameter, will be like what would like to be true in general. So for the number 6, so for number 5, going back to number 5, and I don't know if that wording and the hint is helpful at all. Basically, you're allowed to do more than one sample. Okay, that's the hint that I'm giving you. Now, number 6, combine the results with your classmates by producing a dot plot of the distribution of proportions of samples in yours. So an example of a dot plot would be something like this. So you might have 0. Oh dear,